Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea easy, step by step. Making a perfect cup of tea is a simple pleasure, and we will guide you through each stage. First, gather your essentials. Choose your favorite tea, whether it is loose leaf or a convenient tea bag. Next, ensure you have a clean kettle and your preferred mug or teapot ready to go. These initial steps set the foundation for a delightful brew. Now, let us focus on the water and steeping. The right water temperature is crucial. For most black teas, use boiling water, while green teas prefer slightly cooler water, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your tea leaves or bag into your mug or teapot. Then, carefully pour the heated water over the tea, making sure all the leaves or the bag are fully immersed. This ensures proper extraction of flavor. The brewing time is key to a balanced flavor. Most teas steep for about 2 to 5 minutes, however, check your specific tea's recommendations. For example, herbal teas often steep longer, up to 7 minutes. Once steeped, promptly remove the tea leaves or bag to avoid bitterness from over-extraction. Now, your tea is ready to be customized. Add a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, or a slice of lemon to suit your taste. Finally, it is time to enjoy your perfectly brewed cup of tea. Let it cool for a moment or two to reach a comfortable drinking temperature. Take a deep breath and savor the wonderful aroma before taking your first sip. Remember, making tea is an art that can be personalized. Feel free to experiment with various tea types, different steeping times, and unique additions to discover your absolute favorite brew. Enjoy every moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.